When it comes to finding out if you're interested in them, girls can often be quite subtle. Instead of directly asking, they might drop certain phrases or questions to gauge your reaction and see if you might feel the same. In today's video, we're going to explore 10 common phrases girls use to test if you're interested. By the end, you'll be ready to recognize these hints and understand where she stands with you. 1. Are you seeing anyone right now? This question might sound straightforward, but it's actually very calculated. By asking if you're dating, she's not just looking for an update. She wants to know if you're off the market. If she's interested in you, she's hoping you'll say you're single, giving her the confidence that there's a chance for you both. This question also opens up the opportunity for her to share her own relationship status, inviting you both to reveal whether you're single or not. A good response could be, "Nope, I'm not seeing anyone. How about you?" This answer lets her know you're open and curious about her availability too, subtly keeping the door open for a potential connection. 2. Do you think I'm cute? This question might seem innocent, but there's usually more to it. By asking if you find her cute, she's testing to see if you're attracted to her. Most girls don't ask this question unless they're already interested, so a playful or flirty response on your end can let her know you feel the same. You could respond with something like, "More than cute, you're gorgeous," or "Absolutely, I thought that was obvious." Answering this way reassures her and lets her know you see her in a romantic light, which could be the encouragement she's looking for to keep pursuing a deeper connection with you. 3. Who do you have a crush on right now? On the surface, this question may seem casual, but it's often a sneaky way for her to find out if there's room for her in your life. When a girl asks about your current crush, she's hoping you'll drop a hint that you're interested in her. If you're into her, a playful response like, "I think you already know," or "I have my eye on someone special," keeps things light while leaving her wondering if she's the one. If you say, "I haven't met the right person yet," she might feel encouraged to see if she could be that person. This is her way of finding out where your heart lies without coming out and saying she's interested. 4. What do you think of me? This might sound like a straightforward question, but it's a loaded one. When a girl asks what you think of her, she's not simply fishing for a compliment. She's trying to get a sense of whether you see her as more than just a friend. This is your chance to express if you think she's someone you could see yourself dating. A thoughtful response like, "I think you're amazing and someone I'd love to know better," gives her insight into your feelings. She's looking for signs that you view her as more than a friend, so this is the perfect opportunity to show that you're open to something deeper if that's how you feel. 5. I was just thinking about you. If a girl says she's been thinking about you, it's one of the clearest signs that she's interested. By letting you know you've been on her mind, she's hoping to see if you feel the same. When she shares this, she's not just being polite. She's subtly revealing that you're important to her. The best way to respond is to reciprocate by saying something like, "I've been thinking about you too," or by asking her what specifically made her think of you. This keeps the conversation going, opens a door for you both to explore your feelings, and allows her to see if you're also interested in her. 6. Do you ever think about the future? When she asks you this, it's more than just a question about career goals or plans. She's interested in finding out if you see a future that might include someone special. By bringing up the topic of the future, she's testing if you're open to relationships and potentially if she might have a place in your plans. If you're into her, you could respond with something that keeps things open, like, "I think about finding the right person to build a future with." This lets her know that you're relationship-oriented and open to finding someone to share your life with, which can be encouraging for her if she's interested in seeing where things could go with you. 7. Do you think we'd make a good couple? Though it might sound like a playful, offhand comment, this question carries hidden meaning. By asking if you think you'd make a good couple, she's testing the waters to see if you'd consider her as a potential partner. This is her way of seeing if you'd be open to dating her without directly putting herself out there. If you hear this, take note of her tone. If she's smiling or giving you a coy look, she's hoping you'll say yes. A flirty response like, "I think we'd be pretty unstoppable," or We'd make a great couple. Everyone would be jealous. Could be just what she wants to hear, signaling that you're open to the idea of being more than friends. 8. Do you think I'm your type? When a girl asks if she's your type, she's fishing for compliments and seeing if you view her as a potential romantic interest. Most guys might brush this off as a casual question, but if she's asking, it's a hint that she's interested in what kind of girl you're attracted to. By putting herself in the running, she's hoping you'll give a positive answer. You could respond with something like, "Absolutely, I think you're exactly my type." This lets her know she's in the ballpark of what you're looking for, giving her the encouragement to continue testing the waters. 9. I wish I could find a guy like that. This phrase is a subtle way for her to test if you possess qualities she admires. By saying something like, "I wish I could find a guy who's funny, smart, and kind," she's complimenting you without being too direct and subtly revealing what she's looking for in a potential partner. If you catch on, you could respond with, "I'd say you already know a guy like that," or "Maybe you don't have to look too far." This playful response keeps the conversation light while showing her that you see the qualities she's hinting at. She's hoping you'll recognize yourself in her description, indicating that she might view you as a potential partner. What do you look for in a girl? 10. When a girl asks you this, she's giving you the perfect opportunity to describe qualities that she might have. She's trying to see if she matches your ideal type and if there's a chance she could be the one you're interested in. This question lets her learn about your preferences while also allowing her to compare herself mentally to your ideal partner. If you're interested, this is the time to drop a hint by mentioning qualities you know she possesses, such as humor, intelligence, or kindness. By answering in a way that resonates with her personality, you're subtly letting her know that she's in the running. So, next time you're talking with a girl who seems curious, pay attention to these phrases. She might be testing the waters to see if you're interested too. And if you want more tips on recognizing when a girl likes you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos.